Okay, this is a very easy DIY with a piece of wood. This is a smaller piece than I had in the earlier DIY. This blessing I painted. It was the silver, aluminum, or tin blessing that you buy from the Dollar Tree. It came in a 3-pack. I showed that earlier, like this. So I painted it white, and I want it to hang off. You can make your wood wider if you have a piece. I'm going to take this Dollar Tree Garland. This is very, very easy. I'm going to glue this down, and then I put the two ends of the garland on either side and have these eggs hang down all the way around. I'm going to put all of these, there are 6, and they're going to hang from there, and the blessing is going to go here. And I'm going to make a nice pink hanger to go with it. That goes with this. We'll see. Let's do it. Before I glue the blessing on, I'm going to put a little bit of glue on either end of this, and I'm going to see, because I don't need all of this ribbon in between. So I'm going to glue these beads to the eggs here to make sure they stay in, and then I'm going to cut off a little bit and make a knot to tie this ribbon. So I'm just going to put a dab of glue on the ends of each one to make sure that that bead stays and helps that egg, you know, not come apart from the garland. So I'm just going to put a little dab, not much, because I don't want the foam egg to disintegrate. There we go. All right, and then you need to put a little glue up here on top to hold your ribbon. These eggs are very light, and so it will be easy to hold this without it falling. I'm just going to put this in. I'm just kind of eyeballing it in. I think I might have got it over a little bit. There we go. There we go. Don't want to burn the fingers. All right. Now the two on the ends are done. Now I need to take this. Let me go move this over a little bit. I'm going to cut this. And I'm going to make a knot. And then I can trim it later. But I want the knot there by the bead. Actually, I can trim it now. I keep dropping my scissors in this video. Don't know why. All right. I'm going to do this one on this side. And there we go. Now the next thing that I need to do is find out how long I want these to dangle from up here and where I want to place them. And I'm going to glue their ribbon from behind the wood. So I'm going to turn the wood over. This is the front. This, see, we have our 2 eggs hung. So I'm going to turn it over. And I'm going to be measuring where I want these. Your piece of wood, however long that is, this is 15.5 inches. You may do it a little bit differently. This is just an idea. Okay, once you have all your eggs glued down, then you can go ahead and take whatever your leftover ribbon was. I had a little bit left over, just enough to make a hanger. I'm going to go ahead and put it in between the ribbon that I had glued on for the first egg and the last egg. And I'm going to tie that on, and then I'm going to glue it so that it will hold the hanging wood decoration. You know, the wall decor that we're calling it. It's really cute, by the way. All right, so I've just tied that on. I haven't glued it yet. I'm going to go on this side, tie it into a knot. I am going to trim all the ribbons to make sure they look good. They may not need to be as long as they are, but it might look good hanging, so we're going to see. All right, now that those are tied on, I'm going to put some glue on that knot and make sure it's glued to the board. And then I'm going to go ahead, instead of cutting that piece off, I'm going to go ahead and glue it on. Oh, that's cute. Cute. And, you know, like, the ribbons are okay. I'm just going to trim them a little bit, not too much. This is personal preference, so you can do it however you want it to be. Now, blessings. I'm going to put blessings on here. And then we're done. Okay, we got blessings on here. It looks so good. Make sure it's even. I've got it brought all the way down. Okay, blessings. Look how pretty. So we've had a number of DIYs if the video's not too long. And I hope that it inspires you in some way to celebrate the season, the Easter season coming up. It's next week. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Hope that you will give it a thumbs up, that you'll comment and you'll share it. It helps my channel. And thank you for subscribing and being a part of my YouTube family. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye.